How to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can change your spending limit for your Instagram ads account. It's very simple. So open up your Instagram account and make sure that you're logged in. Of course, make sure that your Instagram account has already been switched into your professional dashboard. At the upper right, just simply choose on the three lines. And then from there, all I have to do is to scroll down and then to look for the option under professionals and choose on business tools and controls. From there, you just have to choose on payment method and choose on account spending limit. On the last page, you just need to input edit and choose on the specific amount that you would like to prefer to enter a new spending limit and then hit on save. And that's it. That is how you change a spending limit for Instagram ads.